Hi guys, Ian here from iamoeba.com. Recently I updated my Firefox browser to the latest edition, Firefox 7, which incorporates the much welcomed memory reductions and speed improvements that we've all been waiting for, which is fantastic. The latest update, however, also has one annoying user interface change, and that is the URLs in the address bar no longer has the HTTP or HTTPS protocol prefix. Now, while that may be okay for some users, it could well annoy and frustrate some of the more security conscious of us, which I've recently become since experiencing some adverse events with my blog, and certain power users. So this video is to show you how you can fix this and how you can show the HTTP and HTTPS URL schemes in the Firefox address bar. So what we need to do is to change the advanced settings in the browser.url trim URLs filter in Firefox, and we need to change that from true to false in the About Config page. So the first thing we need to do is open up our Firefox browser, and then we need to go and open up a new tab. First of all, before I go on to that, I would just like to point out that this is what I'm talking about. Before the address in the address bar, there is no HTTP or HTTPS protocol showing before the address, and this is what we're going to sort out now. So go back to the new tab, and in the address bar I just want you to type about config and press enter. And on this next page we're going to be met with a warning, and it's basically a warning about we're going to be changing the advanced settings in Firefox and we need to be careful and need to know what we're doing. Don't be alarmed by this and just click I'll be careful, I promise. And then on this next page you can actually see a list of all of the filters that are in use in the background of Firefox, and this list is immense. Now the filter that we need to find and locate is a filter called browser.urlbar.trim URLs. Now you could actually scroll through the whole of this list and try and find it, but I wouldn't advise it because the list seems to be endless. So at the top of the page you can actually type the name of the filter in the address bar, and Firefox will locate it for you, and it usually does it while you're typing it. So let's go ahead and do that. Browser, and as you can see it's already starting to identify the filters beginning with the name or the word browser, and then we continue to put dot URL bar dot trim URLs. And as you can see, Firefox has found it for us. Okay, browser.urlbar.trim URLs. Also what you'll notice is the default setting of Firefox is true. We need to change this to false. So what we need to do is highlight the filter, and there's two ways we can change it. We can either double click it or right click it and toggle it. So double clicking it changes it to false, and it also changed the status to user setting. Let's just click that back just to show you if you right click it and then toggle it, we achieve the same objective. We've changed the value to false and the user setting or the status is user set. So all we need to do now is quite simply close Firefox and refresh it. So let's do that now. Closing it, and then what we need to do is reopen it. And as you can see, in the address bar, before the actual address, we now have the HTTP protocol prefix showing. And this also works for HTTPS. As you will see, before the address, the HTTPS is showing. And that's all there is to it. Your Firefox browser will now always show the full URL HTTP protocol in the address bar. I hope you found this video useful and of some benefit, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.